channel again. Hope you all guys doing all right. So today I am here in Toronto, Ontario. So currently I am visiting one mall. It's the very big mall in Ontario, Canada. So I am here in Toronto and its name is the Eaton Centre Mall. So I just wanted to share some of the view of that mall with you, so you get idea how's that mall look like. So if you might interested in visit that mall nearby, if you haven't been visited before, so hope you guys want to see that. So today I just going to share some of the view of that mall. If you are interested in check out that video, then please stay with me to see that. So let me reach the mall and I will continue video again. So guys, this is a Toronto downtown and we are currently looking for the parking because doing the parking in Toronto downtown is quite expensive. It's not easy to find it cheaper parking here. It costs at least $10 for 2 hours. So currently we are looking for the parking. I find one place, but because it's a little bit far, so I'm currently going there to park my car, then see how it go. So we just find the parking and we already parked my car. Now we just need to walk for a few minutes and then we reach that mall, and then I will show you that mall. So look at these big buildings here around. Oh man, that's crazy. Today is very sunny, that's why we thought like why don't we visit the mall. It's a good time to do it. Hey, hello. So not much people are around us. It's not that busy today. Maybe because of the holiday, I don't know. But currently Toronto is not that busy like a regular. Look at that stop. It looks so classic and old. Nice. So this is a World Food Mart. Okay, you get food from around the world. Check out that big LCD. It's so big. It's so big LCD. Toronto Public Transit. So finally we reached to Eaton Centre Mall. So that's the entrance of that Eaton Centre Mall. Oh, you can see. Okay, let's go inside. Finally we enter in the mall. As you can see, it's a really big mall. Crazy lot of stores here. There are so many stores. Check out this H&M store. Now we are heading to the main area of the mall. This is quite a big area. So this is like a really big area. Look at this statue. It's so big. There is another entrance here. So now you can see this is the main area of the mall. Oh man, check out this. So this mall basically has 1, 2, 3, 4 floor. I don't know, maybe there is a construction work going on. And look, check out that ceiling. It's very big. So here you can find all the kind of store. So they separated two lines. This is for right lane, that one was the left lane, so people don't get into each other. So they need to follow the social distancing as government suggested. So there are plenty of store to check out if you are interested, like in a clothing store or a electronic store, anything. Like you get everything here. Like most of store are here, located in Toronto downtown. I don't know what's this, but it's so huge. I don't know why they cover it like this. I don't get it. What's that? So that's the lift actually. So if you are planning to visit the mall now, you might need to wait outside the store for a few time, because there is a limitation for the people to come inside the store. So you might need to wait for a while to visit the store. So just take consideration in that. So this is how the mall look. That's what I wanted to share with you. Hope you guys like this. There is a food court also here on in the down floor. So if you guys want to have food, you can have it. There are plenty of food shop here. You can also easily get the subway from the mall itself. It's connected to the subway also. So now I am back in my car again, and we are currently going home back. So hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. So that's all I just wanted to share with you guys. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.